how to buy Wizzwoods token. So this token came under the symbol of Wizz. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free monthly rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community to go and engage with it. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So if you want to buy this token, now open your MEXC account like that. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, in the search bar, just type this token name. In this case, it will be Wizz. Now click on this pair. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to enable or to load this page. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, these tokens will be listed or it will be available for trading 1 day from now. So after that, what you need to do, you can click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid with that token. And click on buy Wizz. So this is how to buy Wizz token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.